This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on Cash App. First, when someone sends you funds, Cash App usually sends a notification directly to your device. If your notifications are off or you miss the alert, do not worry. The payment will be pending within your app. It is important to know that these funds are not automatically added to your balance until you take action. We will guide you through locating and accepting them. To find any pending payments, begin by opening the Cash App application on your mobile device. Look for the Activity tab, typically represented by a clock icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping this tab will open a chronological list of all your recent transactions, where you should see any payments awaiting your acceptance. It provides a clear overview of your account activity. Once you have navigated to your Activity tab, locate the pending payment. It will usually be clearly marked with an Accept button or a pending status. Tap on this specific transaction to open up its details. You will then see an option to formally accept the funds. Tap the Accept button, and if prompted, enter your 4-digit PIN or use your biometrics, such as Face ID, to confirm the transaction securely. After successfully accepting the payment, the money should instantly appear in your Cash App balance, ready for use or transfer. You will also receive an immediate confirmation message, usually within the app, indicating that the transaction was successful. If, for any reason, the funds do not show up or you experience any issues, please do not hesitate to contact Cash App support directly through the Help section within the application for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.